When traveling in your RV, it can feel like a revolving door of a continuous cleaning. Even though I'm in reset mode, it's no different. Welcome back to the channel and thank you for all of my new subscribers. In today's video, I'll be reset cleaning to get ready for the next adventure. Before we go any further, please take a moment to like and subscribe to the channel. I have been wanting a set of these storage items for the longest. So right before Christmas, my kids asked me what did I want. And I just told them to just each give me $20 because they were about $40 on Amazon for the pair. The assemble on these are too easy. And as my girls say on my cart runneth over, a good twofer. Actually, these are a threefer. You can sit on them, you can rest your feet on them, and you can also store things in it. And they hold up to 240 pounds. I'm just throwing things in here right for now. These items will be going outside in the garage area on the trailer. These are immaculate for when the trailer is in transient mode. It can hold so many small little items, and I am so grateful and so appreciative. Thank you to my kids for being so awesome. Back to the regular scheduled program of cleaning. As you guys know, I love thrifting, and this little caddy thing holds like brochures and stuff like that when I'm at a campground, and as well as like the campground receipts and my remote and certain little things, doggy bags for my dog, and etc. etc. Do you guys remember that camping trip where I broke my glass cover? Well, I found a cutting board to put in place of it. I think I found this. No, I know I found this. I found this at Ollie's for like $9.99 or something like that. But I think it's a perfect fit. I just got to remember if I'm turning on the burner to remove it. But I think it's a gorgeous piece, and it's made by Bombay. Time to continue on with this RGI party. R, meaning retired. One thing I learned about my past career, sometimes you gotta work smarter, not harder. Also, while cleaning, I put up a new shower curtain, and I washed 2 new blankets that I had gotten from Ollie's just so I can have that soft smell and fluffiness in the blankets when I cuddle up with them. Also, guys, please don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe button. And thank you guys for watching Adventures with Val. And until next time, keep on trekking to your next campsite or your next outdoor adventure.